Our structure cabling solutions enables your infrastructure for a quick adoption so that you can add any piece of hardware whenever needed and stay connected. A good infrastructure is always backed with a future-proof cabling that provides higher bandwidth, reliable user experience and supports business growth. In today's competitive business world, having adaptable IT that is scalable and can be ready for the quick industry change. Structure cabling can assure deployment of new services and support for emerging business applications in future. We provided end-to-end structure cabling services for office and data center cabling. Data center cabling. We provide data center cabling solutions that enhances efficiency, scalability and easy troubleshooting. Your journey of cluttered data center with wires to a neat and clean data center requires design thinking, project planning, expertise and resources on right time. We have it all. Hence our customers rely on us for new data center setups as well as hassle-free migrations and co-locations. Office cabling. Users working in the organization requires seamless connectivity across the workplace, office. Structure cabling in the office enables your users for right connectivity so that they don't interrupt their work with cluttered environment. A well-designed networking module with switches, cables, I/Os and patch cords keeps your office environment neat and clean. We have done several office cablings projects which are scalable and flexible for new hardware upgrades. Here are our experts explains why structure cabling plays important role in your business. It saves time and money both. A well-planned cabling saves time of the users while they connect to network every time, and strong cable management saves the cost of future problems. Reduces troubleshooting errors. Structure cabling enables your IT team to troubleshoot faster by determining port and users' connectivity. Reduces a risk of downtime. Structured cabling enables end-to-end numbering, tagging, documentation of user desk port to cable panel. Panel to switch port, user desk port marking on the layout. All this helps IT engineer to reduce the downtime, and even they can work by removing the patch cable in live setup for diagnostics. Enables hygienic environment. Organized cables with proper grouping, save a lot of space and look aesthetically good. Structure cabling allows airflow of cold air that reduces the humid environment. Enables future expansion. Structure cabling works well when it comes to scalability. Increased or decreased user ports can be managed easily and provisions the future expansion. We ensure maximum performance while plugging in your network equipment. Here are some important points that makes us a trusted partner. Expert certified engineers. Association with world-class product leaders. Newest technology adoption. Active and passive end-to-end solution. Global standard certification. Digital meter reading. Sounds interesting? Let us know if you need any help in enhancing your IT infrastructure with our end-to-end cabling solution. Get in touch with us today.